So what's up, guys? Indigo Ghost, aka Sean, back here with another video. And as you can see, I got these LED side markers for the front and the rear, and smoke gray. I think these are a little dope as replacements, you know, for there. And in the front here, excuse my car, it's dirty, but you know, when it's cold outside, it's hard to deal with, you know, water, and it's cold outside. But yeah, shout out to JRT Productions. He actually did a video, and I saw another guy do a video with these. These are on eBay. I might put a picture right there, top left, at top right of the corner, and a link below with these in there. These came out to $60 ship, and seeing it, the back is easy. I may or may not have to jack my car up. I jacked it up the other day to you know, check the clips and stuff and on the inside. But I'm gonna see if I can do it without it, because I felt like I had a whole bunch of room, but I didn't even jack the car up that much. In the front, I saw a video when one guy went through the hood to get the clamp at the bottom. I might check that out. But stay tuned, because we're gonna put these in. I'm gonna try to do it step by step and show you guys. So that means the video is gonna be extra choppy, but it'll look smooth when I edit it. And yeah, I'm gonna get in here, see if I can get this in without jacking the car. And then the clips. Some people had issues with the clips, so I may take one off first. With the connector, I may take one connector off first and put the other one on, so you guys can check it out. But if it goes smooth, you know, then I'll do it all in one shot. Hold on, and let's see how this looks underneath the car. All right, guys, so as you can see, I didn't have to jack up the car. I'm just on my back, and we feel it's this clip right here. And all you have to do is just push it in, and, you know, just get it out just a little bit. And then you're gonna have to go around to the front and pop that out. All right, so now I'm in the front, and you just gotta wiggle. And slide it back in, and that pushes right on out. And also, your boxes, they're marked rear, and on each light, you can see right there, it's marked R. So let me mess with this real quick, and then I'll show you a little tutorial. Hold on just 1 second. All right, guys, so this was fairly simple. So what I did was I used a trim tool to pop this piece up right here. And as you see, I tried my fingernail, and that didn't work. And then on the inside, there is a little, that little black piece right in there. So what I did, I took the little mini screwdriver and popped that off. And I got that on. So that is off. And I heard something fall on the ground, but I don't know what that is. So we are going to take the new light and stick it on there. And we will test out how this is gonna look. Give me 1 second. All right, so check that out. Always check the light before you pop it back in. So this is this one, and I'm gonna pop it in real quick. So let's see if I can do it with one hand. the camera was up when I put it in. And take that off. And I will show you guys the finished product once I get them all in. But that front, that has me a little bit worried, because that's the hardest one and it's cold outside, and I really don't feel like pulling my car up to turn the wheel, but I'm gonna see what I can do in the garage. Let me get on over to the next one. The process is the same, so I may not record it. I just may show you guys the after effects. All right, guys, so you can see this is a left rear light. I already put it in the front, and this is actually, I think I found an easier way to get this pin out. If you use your plastic trim tool, you can actually lift that red tab a little bit and it'll slide right back. And then, all right, it went off. So you maneuver that in there, hear that snap. Boom, take that right off. And keys. Because I didn't turn it on, I just unlocked the car. You see that red light, that look 10 times better. 10 times better. Now let me go fool around with the front. Let me see if this method I saw online work, or if I have to turn the wheel and take the clips out of the fender cover or whatever the hell that's called. All right. Hey guys, I'm back again. As you can see, underneath that engine bay. But on the right side of the car, I don't know if you can see that far in there, but you can actually reach your hand down in there and just push the clip. As you can see, I already got it started here, and it's just rinse and repeat on the same process on the right side. The left side, I'm gonna check and see if I can find an easier way. And let me get the other parts and get this in there. All right, so guys, I got this one in. I don't know what it is. I think I might have scratched the paint up just a little bit, trying to get it out, but I'm due for some paint correction anyway. But this one's actually pretty tough to, wedge on out, but I got it out, so. Oh. What's up, guys? So this is the next evening, actually, and I didn't feel like taking out the air intake, because that's another way to get to this clip right here. So I just did the rivets and this little punch tool. Let's see, from Harbor Freight, $4. Punch them in, and these rivets will come right out. So my project is about to be complete. And another thing, so when I cut off the video yesterday, the light didn't cut on, but that was my fault. When I turned the car on, they came on, and I'll show you guys when I get set up. And I think it's how my lights are set up on what cuts on, or if that's natural. But I thought the light was bad, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna slap this one in here and let's check it out.